Okay, in this step, we'll create basic HTML document structure. So let's open our text editor. First line of code will be doctype declaration with value HTML, which means that we are using HTML version 5. Then let's define start and end HTML tags, and inside of it, let's define head and body HTML elements. For head, let's define title HTML element. This page is gonna be our home page, so let's set here home. Okay, so let's save our document for now. We need to save this one inside of our website folder. And let's save it inside of pages folder. We'll call this one home.html. Okay. We can test our home page quickly, so let's go in website folder, pages folder, and here it is. Let's open it. I will use Google Chrome for this one. And yep, here it is. This is our empty home page. Currently we have just title, that is our home title. Body is empty because we use title HTML element and body is empty. Okay. Our web page or home page will look like this. So basically we have header part, we have middle part, and we have footer part of home page. Okay, so let's comment out inside of body all sections that we will have. So as we said, first part will be header, then second part will be middle part, and the last part of web page will be footer. Okay, so comments are always good option in cases if your web page has a lot of content, so you will know in any moment what is going on in your web page. And of course, for other developers who will dive in your code, it's gonna be much easier to see what is going on. So let's save our changes for now.